Good morning, everybody. In front of you there, you see yesterday's problem of the day, which was negative 4x plus 2 less than 18. I've highlighted the steps that you needed to take. Subtract 2 from both sides. Divide by negative 4. Quick reminder, when you divide by that negative right here, that sign switches. So the less than sign in your final answer becomes a greater than sign because you divided by negative 4. I've posted a quiz. It has 2 review problems and then it has some inequalities. Remember to review any of the YouTube videos that I've got posted. Or today I also posted a link to graphing inequalities, what we're kind of getting started on now. A little bit hard to do through distance learning, but we'll do our very best. Hope all is well. Remember, get caught up on some of that late work. Email me when you've done it so I can go back and check. And again, any communication you need to do, we are okay to do Zoom meetings now, so let me know if you need one of those. And best of luck on today's quiz.